welcome to my channel. I'm Brookie Bear Streams. This is my first video, so I'm really excited. If you want to see more of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Twitch, and TikTok. Everything's just at Brookie Bear Streams. Yeah, let's just get right into the video. Alright, let's get to it. I've never played this game before. I've only ever seen it played. Ooh, let's do the little kitty cat. Alright, let's play! I'm excited. Have you guys ever played this game? Let me know in the comments. Any tips, tricks? Please let me know. No spoilers though. I guess this doesn't really seem like the type of game that has like intense spoilers. Right click to that. Oh! We got a pink slime! There's a chicken. I got a flippin' chicken. Alright, I did it. What do I do with this chicken though? Food like fruits, veggies, or chickens are used to fit. I'm gonna feed the slime a chicken? Oh. Oh! No! Oh. Ooh, what's this? Immediately forgets about the fact that I just fed it a live chicken. When slimes eat, they make plorts. Head on over to the plort market to cash in your plort. Oh. Do I shoot it? Oh yeah. Oh, what's this? Oh, that's an expansion. We can't go in there yet. Because we only have $261. But where can we go? What is this? The lab. 10,000? Oh! Goodbye, world. 12 hours. I want to farm the chickens. A coop, yes. There we go. Hopefully these chickens will have babies. Have baby. Have baby. We have to go exploring somewhere. Not there. Not down in that pit. This is the evil pit. We don't like this pit. Is that one hungry? Haha. The Slimepedia. Oh, okay. This tells me lots of things. But I don't care. I just want to go explore. I just want to go explore. Where can I, how can I leave? There has to be a way out of this dang canyon. Oh, is this the exit? We found the exit. We have so many slimes! We're just getting sucked out. We need to find hella food for these little guys. I bet you I can farm. Baby chicks. Alright, I gotta come back for these baby chicks. Oh, this is so cute. Okay. How do I get home? Alright, let's get home. Let's get these punks fed. Fed. Woohoo! We just made hella racks. We need to go back and find those chickens. Those baby chickens. Through here, through the arch. Haha! Chickadoo! Ah, so cute. I want more. Give me more. Whoa. Oh my gosh. I don't want to go down there. I'm not ready for that. Oh! Whoa! Give me the kitty! I got a tabby slime! Oh look, we made our way to the spot. Hello you! Are you hungry? Oh, you did like that. Why am I wasting all my fruit on you, sir? Let's get out of here. That guy's kind of shady. Smiling at me. Maybe if I throw one of these at him. Oh no, he just shot it right back at me. Wow. I want to sell these. Stop stealing my plorts. Let's go home. These slimes are a bunch of lunatics. We got some plorts. We got a new slime. Let's make a new corral. What the heck? My chickens got eaten. What the hell? We need high walls for these poor chickens. Oh, you naughty little guy. They're gonna get out and eat my chickens. I just know it. Oh, man. Okay. All my slimes are bouncing around. Oh, I got a rooster. Did it just eat my rooster? It ate my... The slime ate my rooster! Oh my gosh! Leave my chickens alone! Oh, they're out of control! I love that I'm literally farming slime poop. Why are they so bouncy? They're so bouncy. I'm gonna need to send some of these pink slimes out. I should have made the chickens over here, huh? We're gonna have to. I don't know what my options are because they just keep getting in here and eating my chickens. I can't believe I wasted all that money. Leave my dang chickens alone. I know it's food for you, but on my terms. Back out into the wild. Was ist das? Money! Give me your plorts. You just ate the carrots, you little thieves. I need 2 hens. Come here, kitties. Rock slime. What do rock slimes eat? Okay, we shouldn't travel too far. We gotta go. We gotta go home. Oh, but look at you. Yes. Look how big that moon is. Whoa. I'd be kind of freaked out if I saw a moon that big. Hi, chickens. A plort peddler. A port peddler. Is it just gonna fly away? Please don't fly away. I'm just gonna keep it on me, see if that works. Eat it. You not hungry? You're not hungry? He's not hungry. Buddy! Stay where you belong. Alright, chickens, behave yourselves. What? That was the strangest thing I've ever seen. What's in here? Why is it so spooky? They're angry. Oh my gosh! No, 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 no! Skirt! Let's see what we can find over here. Oh! Chickens galore! What? Meet Mochi! He's my sweet baby boy. Hi. Are you purring? Are you coming to say hello? I love him. Are you gonna... Oh, good job, baby boy! Dang! Can we get an instant replay of that jump? There's... Oh! I don't like the looks of that. Oh, what is that? I just need chickens. Got it? I could have sworn I saw a baby chick flying through the air. Did you guys see that? Oh, there it is. What do these eat? Veggies? Okay. And here's Pumpkin! Here's the real star. This is Pumpkin! Hi, mamas! She's about 7 years old. She's my sweet baby. What the frick? How did my cats get out? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Give me the goods! Oh, it's cute when it's cute, but when it's not cute, it is scary. Can I go deeper in here? Is the exit? Or is this the other side? Oh, a keyhole. A slime key? Or is it a key slime? Pumpkin. Pumpkin. Hello? I'm busy here. Pumpkin. You know you're not supposed to be on the desk. Oh my gosh, Pumpkin? You did this to me. All my inventory's gone? Hey, sweet girl, can we maybe stay off the desk? Thank you. I'm pissed. I'm livid. Ugh. Cat? You're just like Pumpkin. So naughty. You go where you're not supposed to go. The stress of a slime rancher. Help me out here and I'll make sure you get what's owed. What do you need? You need 11 cats and 4 chickens. Oh, okay. Let's do it. Did that need stony? Oh no. Well, we're gonna get stony hens too. Get away from me. Oh, you really do need stony chickens. Okay. You come here. That's it. All of you are mine. Get in here, you little punks. You're all going in the water. Bye. All these little rapscallions, why do they pop out of the ground? Like, what are you, Diglett? Ready? Woohoo! A Roostro? What? They can just jump right out? Why? Why can they do that? That's not fair. Creepy. Very creepy. Eat that, you little scrub. I need to go find a strawberry. Oh! I didn't mean to do that. I didn't want to do that. Q-berries! Woohoo! And they never roll off the table. Finally! Are there more? Hello? Make them fight. Fight! Fight each other. It kind of looks like a pink Goron, huh? Like if Kirby sucked up a Goron. Yes, thank you. Hello, cats. Hello, rocks. 12! I swear, these guys are such jerks. Alright, let's put these suckers in there. And I bet I can get a plort collector now. Look at that? Why don't these guys eat? I don't get it. How do I get this out? Oh, like this. I don't know what these dudes eat. Veggies, that's what it is. That's why they're so pissed. Because I've been trying to feed them fruits this whole dang time. Poor blue ones. Let's have all the carrots. Oh, they were so hungry. Woohoo! Fortunate. Well, hey, we made it to day 9. Who is that? It's Kuma! This is Kuma! When she was just a little tiny baby, she had a respiratory infection. So her meow is kind of like a little squeak. There you go, baby. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it all the way to the end, congratulations, you're a baller. Yeah, go ahead and like, subscribe, comment, check me out on TikTok. I really appreciate you watching this video. I definitely plan to make more content like this and like other stuff. Just kind of exploring. Ooh! Seeing what I like, what you like, what we like together. Thanks again, you guys. I'm Brookie Bear, and I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!